Good afternoon, good evening, good morning kung saan man kayo naroroon mga ka-vlogs. Nandito na naman tayo sa ating Saturday, maaraw. At temperature natin ngayon ay -4 o -5, nag-iba pagka nag-update. -5 kahit maaraw siya, -5, pero matarik ang araw natin. So, ayan, may camera ako dito para sa mag-drone shots tayo. May backup na shots. Dito tayo sa park, ang biliwaliw. Yan. At ano kaya yung mga cotton, yung mga clouds, mukhang cotton tingin ko eh. Pero tubig yan na nag-ano, di ba? Parang fog na nabubuo sa taas. Yan yung mga nagki-crystallize, yung mga nag-evaporate galing ground. Yan. Pwede kayong ano, mag-comment. Ayan, habang tinatamaan yung ground, parang kumikinang, no? Parang mga diamond. Ewan ko, nakikita nyo yan. Nakikita ko eh. Kaya nag-ano ako eh, mag sunglasses para yung glare hindi mag-bounce back sa ating mga mata at hindi siya lalabo o masira ang ating mata. Ito, ginamit ko ang selfie stick. Nahanap ko, bibili sana ako ng bago. May mga baka pala ako ng dati na matago lang. So I'm gonna try using it. Hindi na siya available sa Amazon itong na nabili natin selfie stick dati. So gahanap ako ng pwedeng mapaglandingan ng drone, yung parang flat surface. Wala, may bench dun eh, dun sa may parking lot. Dito tayo sa ano, kasi dati dito lang ako sa ground. Dito lang ako sa ground. Ayan. Ayan mga vlogs, palpak yung ating pag set up doon. Kasi yung gagamitin kong cellphone pala walang battery. Tapos hindi na po, nabasak pa ata ito. Sana walang diferensya, problema. Medyo sakit sa kamay, ano? Malamig, kahit -5 lang, pero iba yung lamig niya eh. Parang may kasamang humidity, medyo may humid, so may moisture sa air, kaya mas malamig pagka ganun. Okay lang sana kung dry yung air, weather. Humidity, so mas masakit sa kamay. So yung mga kaibang mga snowbirds, yung mga nakausap ako na yung isa snowbird siya pero taga south siya, Nelson, Randbrook, Kootenays area sa British Columbia. Sabi niya ibang classic snowbirds naman siya. Pagka winter dito sila pumunta sa Prince George para mag-ski. Yung iba naman pupunta sa warm weather. Arizona, Florida, California, medyo may kamahalan na tayo sa pupunta doon yung mga pupunta sa Disneyland, sa pa ba? Universal Studio. Yan, yung mga ibabalita ko pupunta ng California. So ayan, dito na tayo. Sa likod lang naman kasi ng bahay yung park, kaya okay, pero masakit sa kamay. Kailangan natin mag gloves sa mga gloves ko sa loob ng bahay. So dito na tayo, set up tayo dito na lang, hindi ka problema. Ayan. Okay, good day ka-vlogs. Tayo mag-unbox ng humidifier na to. It's good for the winter time. You have a humidifier. Ayan. Dalawa yung nagko-compare ko. Yung isa ginagamit na namin, but I have to see if this one is also good. So, and it's called Asakuki Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Lagay ko ang link dito sa screen. Ayan o. So, buksan natin. Tingnan natin kung ano ang mga benefits ng mga humidifier. Ito ay meron siyang important tips to how to easily fill in the water on top. Yeah. So it's important that you have a humidifier during winter to prevent yung dry cough, ganyan, no? So mga vlogs, ito ang kasama, no, user manual. Meron siyang brush pang clean, meron siyang remote control, control the humidity, I guess from afar. Yan, ultrasonic cool mist humidifier. At saka meron din ata itong warm mist na gaya ng nakuha ko na yung isa, Oraimo. And ito, Asakuki, yun ata made in China. Ito is they said it's Japan. So peel. So ayan, you have to peel this. And dito yung pwede nyo siya lagyan ng oil. I think it's 5 to 10 drops. Kasi ito yung kanyang air filter. Tapos siya absorption pad niya is here. Right? And then it will diffuse a good sense of scent. A good sense pala for air fresh. Yeah. So ayan, may floater siya rito. That's how they make it. Right? So ayan mga vlogs, maraming mga benefits ang humidifier. Yun, isa pa, it's going to make your nasal comfortable. Instead of dry cough ka, parang very yung nasal mo is parang clear pagka meron kang humidifier. It's around 30 to 60% humidity pala ang recommended. And then I just bought a humidity control yung display para alam mo yung humidity mo. It'll tell you in the humidifier itself kung may feature na ganun, right? But I just have a backup just to see what the humidity is. I have one in the fridge. I have one in my bedroom, and then you can buy it from Amazon. It's just cheap, less than $15, more or less, right? And then I saw one in Princess Auto. It's like $9.99. So they normally recommending distilled water, but I just use tap water. Kasi yung tap water may mga mineralization, so it's just maybe you're getting a white powder. But if you use a warm mist, it will dissolve or burn off those minerals. It's good for the lungs, yes. It's good for the skin issues. With low humidity, parang parang dry yung throat mo. Yeah. So, but it's also, if you're over humidifying your area, it can cause also mold and bacteria. There's too much humidity naman. So just with your kung air furnace nyo is drawing or spitting out warm or heat in your vent, so that's dry air. So you can put it depends on the square footage of the dining room. Sa akin, kinuha ko na, it's good for 800 square feet itong humidifier na nakuha ko. So in the winter time, it's a must, for your own benefit. Humidifiers are good for, and ultrasound ang ginagamit kong humidifier because it's a better technology. Meron mga humidifier na yung parang fina-fine niya, but takes longer, I think, for that to work. So if you're using an ultrasound humidifier, then you can use a distilled water. So to clean it out, every once in 2 weeks, vinegar and water to clean out the yung minsan kasi siya parang very yung water pagka matagal na nagtatawag very parang nag-spongy. You can avoid that by putting vinegar or to clean it out. So the humidifier I'm using, I put in, it's a 6 liter, but I put in every day because it spits out pretty fast. So, and it's good for for your skin. It's good for breathing out in and out. You're less likely to have a cold. Kasi, and it's good for flu. And so, yung mga baby, they are recommended na may humidifier sa room. No? So, meron ding siya, you can drop some oil, so it will freshen up the yung amoy ng room, right? Smell. So yeah, in mga vlogs, it's very good to have a humidifier. Maraming pros. They are cheap, quiet, and energy efficient, and they won't burn. Yun lang, kailangan nyo lang linisin everyday and maglagay ng tubig. So if it's just mataas po yun, isipin nyo lang
vlogging.